Hi, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm excited to announce another contest for you to win. And guess what it is? Another classic Super Nintendo. Yes, I actually bought two of these. I already gave one away, but this time I wanted to level the playing fields to give everybody a chance to win fair and square. So here's all you have to do. 1, have your friends subscribe to my channel. Number 2, in the comments section, leave your name as the referral source. So if your name is John Doe, they leave John Doe in the comment section. The first person to have 25 people subscribe and refer your name in the comment section on my channel will win the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. So, wanted to level the playing field. Again, the rules are simple. 1, have your friends subscribe. Make sure you've already subscribed as well. And 2, leave your name as the referral source in the comment section. First person to 25 will win the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. So good luck, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.